Here we go with our third example, which is kind of misleading because at the bottom of your page, more like halfway, it says example 1. So I'm going to do example 1 and example 2 on the practice with you guys and have you do example 3 and 4 on your own to try out yourself. So this one is not telling us whether or not it's a no solution or an infinite solution. So we have to solve it in order to figure that out. So I'm going to find my equal sign, and I'm going to draw a wall because that is something that helps me so I don't get mixed up on the side. And now I'm going to look at everything that I have written and try to analyze that before I continue. Starting on the left, it looks like I've got 3 being multiplied by a parentheses, so I'll probably start there. And then I'm subtracting 3x. And on the other side, I've got a constant of 6 plus 3x. So I am going to start by distributing the 3 over here on the left. So 3 times 2x is equal to 6x. And positive 3 times positive 2 is equal to positive 6. And then I'm just going to bring everything else down. All right, so now let's take a look at our variable terms and our constant terms. So I'm going to shape code. On my left side here, I've got a variable term in 6x, and I also have a variable term in negative 3x. And then if I look at the other side, on the right side, I've also got a positive 3x right here. And now to look at my constants, I've got a positive 6 right here and a positive 6 right here. So remember, my goal is to get all of those x terms on one side. But the first thing I need to do is on the left side, I can see that I need to combine some terms. So let's combine the 6x and the negative 3x. 6x minus 3x, 6 minus 3 is 3. So I'm left with 3x. But then I also have to bring down everything else that's left. So I have a positive 6 is equal to, and on this side I've got positive 6 plus 3x. And I don't know if you guys can see what's happening, but it looks kind of similar on both of these sides. So I still have variables on both sides, the 3x on the left and the 3x on the right. So in order to move either of these, I'm going to subtract 3x. So let's subtract over here. So if I subtract 3x over here, I also have to subtract 3x. Let's move me so that we can finish our problem. Which cancels out over here and leaves me with 6 on this side. And then it cancels out also on this side, which leaves me with 6 over here. So is 6 equals 6 a true statement, or is it a false statement? My knowledge tells me that 6 is equal to 6. And because it's a true statement, that means that it's going to have infinite solutions. And there we go.